4/2, 2017. To simplify the algebra in this question, I'm going to replace the x minus x squared with just a y. So I'm going to expand 2 plus y to the power 6. That means we need a 2 to the 6, a 2 to the 5, a 2 to the 4, 2 to the 3. With no y in the first term, then we're going to have y to the power 1, y squared and y cubed, and I can finish there because I only have to go up to x cubed. And we have our 6c6, 6c5, 6c4 and 6c3. So 2 to the power 6 is 64. We then have 32y times 6, so that is 192y. Then have 2 to the power 4 times 6c4, which is 240 y squared. And then we have 2 to the power 3, which is 8, times 6c3, which is 160 y cubed. Now what I need to do is replace the y with the x minus x squared. So we have 64 plus 192 x minus x squared plus 240 x minus x squared all squared plus 160 x minus x squared all cubed. We're going to have a 64, expanding the second bracket, 192x minus 192x squared. Expanding the third bracket, we're going to have 240 x squared, and then the middle term is minus 2 x cubed, so that gives us minus 480 x cubed. I can ignore the third term because that's x to the power 4. And then finally from the last we're going to have 160 x cubed, and I can ignore all other terms in the expansion because they're larger than x cubed. So that gives us 64 plus 192x plus 48x squared minus 320x cubed. We can see in these solutions, rather than using the NCR, they've used the n times n minus 1 all over the factorial. And they've used that to simplify. It doesn't matter what method you use, you still end up with the same answer.